How to fix shift 2 types quotation marks not at sign. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and go to time and language. In here, go to language. In language, scroll down till you find preferred language. If your language is in English, UK, simply press on Add a Language. In here, search for English, United States. Press on Next, and your language will be changed. After you have changed your preferred language, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Shift 2 types quotation marks not at sign in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.